sea trial day of the Restless.
You ready for today?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm ready to go out on the ocean.
All that hard work on the Restless.
Yeah.
QSL 9.
Brand new engine. We got some tools just in case.
Yeah, high-tech hydraulic system on there.
Okay, we got her in the water. Running at 670 RPM. Oil pressure 50 PSI. Hosing everything down with lithium grease.
Yeah.
Ready to throw the lines?
Any alarms yet?
No alarms, 82 degrees. We got drone footage now. Here's your knots. 8 knots, 7 knots. I don't know. Knots. Hey, that dripless hose is dry, isn't it? That's good. That's 12. Got 13 knots, 12 knots. What's the RPM? Oh, we got the air again.
Okay, we're at
12 knots.
1,400. 12 knots.
1,400, 12, 11 or 12 knots. 12 knots. That's
1590.
right about 13, 14 knots.
Burning 12.5 miles.
12.5 gallons an hour, 14 knots, and 1600 RPM, 1620.
That's basically full RPM.
Got 1760. I think we're still gaining speed. We're at 15 knots. 1760.
He's a little over prop. 16 and a half gallons an hour. How many knots?
15 knots. 16 and a half gallons an hour. 1750 RPM. Is that the governor?
Yeah. He's a little over prop. He runs at 1,400. We're back down to our 1,400.
Where are you going?
Turning around. Going home. I'm done. Okay, we got 1,600. We're burning 12 and a half gallons an hour, and we're making 14 knots.
13 or 14 knots.
Nice cruise, man.
12 and a half gallons.
Gallons 1,400. There's 1,400.
Burning 9 gallons an hour.
9 gallons, and we're making 11 knots. We're in great shape. We're in great shape.
What do you guys think? Another successful sea trial? There you go. From the man himself.
Yeah. It makes over 10 knots at 1200.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Let's check out, tell me a little bit about this. So you guys changed, oh, you changed it to this.
Yeah, we went everything's electric now.
So it's one,
In the off position, it just bypasses fluid. When you flip it on, it sends fluid to the clutch.
And there's another one in the back.
so this is the switch.
That's the switch, just pull it. Then you'll see the pressure rise on the filter crank. Yep, right on this side.
Get a shot of that.
Turn it off?
Turn it off.
Yeah. Zero?
Zero.
Maybe around 100, 110.
Yep.
Is that what it shows?
Yep. Does this same switch control that
Both of them.
later one?
Yeah.
Oh, in parallel or in parallel?
They both lock in 12 volts, yeah. They don't both draw about an amp. Very low power.
Right. Can you turn this off and on? I don't want to video the clutch spinning.
Oh, it's on. It's turned.
It turns anyway.
Oh, it turns no matter what? So there's the clutch. All right, Tony, let's see your skills here. Looking pretty good, honestly.
Is it in the ocean or did it land safely?
No, I got it.
You got it.
But you were going out past the brake wall,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
you motored out there. I was like, well, I finally go. I went as long as I could, and it finally started giving me a warning. I'm like, oh, I better back off.
Yeah, then I
And then when
turned
you came
around.
back, I followed you back in.
Yeah, okay.